So can anyone imagine that the beer has a 15% alcohol? It's my first. I just tried today, and I'll just present you the Indian first beer which comes with a 15% alcohol. So that is the Bro Code. So it comes with 15% alcohol. I'll show you the back side. So it comes with 15% alcohol. Hi guys, when you come from Panjim, so this is the bus is going towards Panjim. So when you come from Panjim, you will see a roundabout. So this is the famous beach is in North Goa, the Miramar beach we call it. Yeah. So this is the Miramar circle. So I'm almost there to the Candid Wine Store, Karanjalim, near Church, Karanjalim Church. For the landmark, you will see on the right hand, on the left hand side, you will see an Indian oil petrol pump. So that means you're on the right path. So I'm almost there. You will see some like battery shop, Canara Bank. So just before taking the left turn, you will see one small resort, Swim Sea. So you just need to take a left turn, and you also will see a Java showroom here. So this is the exact landmark. Yes, and there you go. You see the Karanjalim Church. Hi, good afternoon. I'm here at Candid Wine Store, Donapol. So I will introduce to the owner of this wine store. Hi, bro.
Hi.
What's your name, bro? Can you please introduce yourself?
My name is Viraj Halankar.
Okay.
Yes, I'm running this store from last 1 year.
Okay. So,
Yeah.
what are the timing of this shop?
We open at like 9:30.
Okay.
Yeah, 9:30, and we close at 10 at night.
Okay.
Yes, in between 1 hour lunch break. Yeah.
So can you show me what are the like stock you have here? So
See,
what are the variety you have?
See, we have all types of whiskies, beers, wines,
Okay.
Feni, which is Goan. Yeah, you can get that.
भैया नाम क्या है आपका?
वीरप्पा।
बिरप्पा। क्या ले रहे हो आप आज?
बाबा मैं मैकडॉल ले रहा है।
मैकडॉल।
हाँ।
ओके, कितने का आता है मैकडॉल? MC नंबर 1
270 का।
270 का।
हाँ
तो आपको कैसा लगता है यहाँ का ये कैंडिड वन स्टोर?
सर एकदम बढ़िया है।
बढ़िया है।
जो सामान है ना दारू सब कुछ मिलता है इधर।
ओके।
हाँ हम तो लेके जाता है इधर हमेशा।
Okay.
हाँ, और बाद में हमको मैकडॉल एकदम अच्छा लगता है।
Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Mr. Viraj will show us some the prices of the beer. Like these are all cane beer, so he will show one by one. So yeah, please show me one by one.
Yeah. This is Kingfisher Premium Slim
Kingfisher
can.
Premium,
Yeah,
okay.
Slim can.
What's
Two
the
can.
price of this?
Yeah. This is 45.
45. Okay.
Yeah. Then we have Kingfisher Premium.
Kingfisher
Yeah,
Premium.
This is a big can, 500 ml.
500 ml. Okay.
Yeah, rate is 65. Okay.
65 rupees.
Yeah.
Then we have
Then
Tuborg.
Tuborg.
Yeah.
Tuborg Premium.
Tuborg
we
Premium.
also have a Tuborg Strong.
Okay. Tuborg Strong.
70 rupees.
So what's the difference between these two? What's the price
This
difference?
is price difference, just 5 rupees price difference. That's
Okay.
it.
65 and 70.
Yeah, alcohol content 5% and 8%.
8%. Yes.
Then we have Kingfisher
Kingfisher Draught.
Draught.
One of my
Lager.
favorite Kingfisher
Yes.
beer.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then we have Kingfisher
Kingfisher Strong.
8% alcohol.
8% alcohol.
Yeah. This
Then-
is very fast running in Goa.
Okay.
Then we have Bira White.
Bira White.
Yeah, this is a wheat beer. Okay.
Wheat beer. So
Yeah,
that you
Indian
mean to
wheat
say the beer is made out of wheat?
Yes. Made
Okay.
Made out of wheat.
Okay. Yeah.
Good. There's a beautiful like you get a beautiful aroma when you drink
Okay.
it. Okay. Nice taste.
We have Carlsberg.
Carlsberg Smooth.
Carlsberg Smooth. Then
We also have Carlsberg Strong, that is Elephant, but that is not in stock right now because of lockdown.
okay.
Then we have
Then we
Budweiser,
have regular Budweiser.
Budweiser Premium.
Yes.
Then we have Budweiser Magnum.
Magnum.
Yeah,
So what's the
8%
price
strong.
of this?
This is 110 in Goa.
110.
Okay. This is 85.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Then-
next you will show me the bottles.
No, I'll show you the.
So this is like till.
Yeah,
Till.
this is wine mixed. Okay. These
Okay.
all up pre-mixed. Okay.
So wine mixed with what flavor this is?
This is red wine. Okay.
Red wine.
Red
Okay.
wine
so it
mixed.
comes in the can.
Yeah, in a can.
Okay, okay.
Already mixed. Nothing to. Then we have white.
Till white.
White.
So white beer. You mean to say it's a beer? Ah, sorry,
No,
the
no,
wine.
no. Yeah.
It's a wine. Okay.
Okay. Then we have mixed with lime.
Lime. Okay.
leaf, Okay.
Okay.
Already mixed in. Then we have vodka mule. Mixed
Vodka.
with
So what are
ginger
the
and lime.
alcoholic percentage on this?
9%.
9%.
9% alcohol.
Oh.
It's quite strong.
So we are done with the can now. So you will bring up the bottles.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. So he will show us some variety of pine beer. So please tell us one by one.
Yes. It's Tuborg.
Tuborg,
Price is 45.
45
Yeah,
rupees.
everybody knows about this.
Yes.
Very famous beers in India.
Next we have
Kingfisher.
Kingfisher Pine.
Pint. Same price.
Same
45.
45 rupees.
45 rupees.
And
Then we have Carlsberg Smooth.
Carlsberg Smooth,
55.
55 rupees.
Yeah. Then Budweiser.
Budweiser,
60.
60.
Yes.
Simba,
Simba again
Yes.
60.
60.
Yes. This is Simba Light
Simba Light, okay.
Lager. Then we
Heineken,
have Heineken.
yeah.
This is 80 rupees pint.
Okay.
Then Breezer.
Breezer,
There are few more flavors in this.
okay.
The price is 80.
80 rupees.
All price. Yeah.
Yeah.
Then we have
Bacardi,
Bacardi Plus. This
Bacardi
is
Plus.
strong. 8%
Okay.
alcohol in this.
Okay.
Yeah. The price is 90.
90 rupees.
Yeah, 90 rupees pint.
Then we have
Then we
Corona
have
virus.
Corona.
Corona, it's very famous nowadays.
Yeah.
So what's the price?
Mexican beer.
Mexican beer.
100.
100.
Then
So
there's
the price has come down. Earlier it used to be
Yeah,
like 300,
it was,
240
yeah,
something.
It was Sagar. It was 125. earlier.
125.
Yeah, recently. Then now it is 100.
Okay.
Then we have Hogarden.
Oh garden.
Yeah, it's almost same like.
This is
Corona.
Indian beer,
No, it's the foreign beer.
foreign beer. So here we have different types of rum. So Mr. Viraj will explain what it's all about.
Yeah, this is normal triple X rum, Old Monk rum.
All long, yes.
This is famous all over India.
All over India.
Yeah. The price is 200.
200.
Yes.
So Bacardi Black.
Then this is
Oh no, sorry.
Old Monk Reserve, Gold Reserve.
Gold Reserve. Okay.
Yeah. This is smoother than this one.
Okay. So what's the difference between the price?
Price 350.
350
Okay,
and
this is
smoother
200 and 350.
and the
Yeah,
taste
smooth.
wise smoother
Yes,
than
yes,
the- okay.
good taste. Then we have Bacardi Black.
Bacardi Black.
Price is 270.
270. Okay.
Yes, good rum. Then we have white rum.
White rum.
Bacardi White.
So there's two different type of rum. One is white and one is black.
Yes,
Yeah.
black and white is there.
Yeah.
Then we have limon. Okay.
So
This and this is almost same.
okay.
White rum, both are white rum.
Okay.
This is flavored.
So
lemon
it comes
flavor.
with a lemon flavor.
Yeah, comes
Okay.
with lemon
Okay.
flavor. Price is, this one is 624 and lemon is 675.
Okay. So that's not much different.
Yes.
Okay.
This is mostly used for cocktails,
Okay.
for parties. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
This you can drink without any mixture. Like,
So you don't have to mix with water?
No, you have to mix with water.
Okay.
Depends. Okay, but no flavor. You don't have to add some flavor.
We will show you some options, some variety of brandy and gin.
Brandy
right?
and gin.
Yeah.
Yes. This is Mansion House.
Okay.
Price is 270.
270
This is
rupees.
French brandy.
Okay.
Yeah. Then here we have Morpheus.
This also brandy, right?
Yes. Beautiful bottle.
Oh, I love it.
Yeah, nice bottle it is.
So what's the price of this?
Price is 575.
575.
Yes.
Yes.
It's a very good brandy. Nice
Very
taste.
nice bottle.
Yes, yes. Mostly preferred by tourists and all.
Okay.
Even Goans love it.
Okay.
Yeah. Very nice brandy. Now we have gin. Blue ribbon gin.
Blue ribbon gin.
Yeah.
So what's the price?
270.
270.
Yeah. Then we have Tickle. Okay. Tickle is 650.
So this is also variety of gin.
Yes, yes. Gin. It is
Okay.
gin. Yes. So you can see here, made up of all these mixtures.
Okay. Okay. So
Yeah.
there's an ingredient showing here.
Yeah, ingredients. Then we have Greater Than.
Greater than. This also a gin.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So what's the price of
Price
this?
is 850.
850 rupees.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then we have Stranger and Sons.
Stranger and Son. What a name.
Yeah.
So
This is
comes with
famous
a-
worldwide.
So this also gin, right?
Yeah, yeah. It's
Okay.
gin.
Okay.
Mostly gin are drink with.
Tonic water.
Yeah. Mostly yeah. Gin is drink with tonic water.
Tonic water. Yeah.
Yes. Then we have Black Jewel.
Black Jewel.
Yeah. MRP is 590.
It has a very nice bottle.
Yeah, very nice.
Yeah.
Black color bottle. Nice one. Then we have Pumori.
What's the name you said?
Pumori.
Umori.
Pumori gin. Yeah.
Okay.
Use the label.
So these are
The-
lots of varieties of gin.
Gin. This price is
one should
1750.
try the different varieties. Yeah.
Price is 1750.
1750.
1750.
750 rupees. So he will show us some variety of vodkas.
See, this is Resolute pink vodka. Yes. One more color comes in this black color.
Black color. Okay.
Yes. This is Goan vodka.
Okay.
Nice for gifting
Very
someone.
nice bottle.
Yes, it's really beautiful quality. The price is 624.
624 rupees.
Yes. Then we have Arabella.
Arabella.
Yes.
This is made in Goa, right?
Yes, made in Goa.
Okay.
Plain comes in this, then orange and
Okay.
green apple. Price is 245.
245.
Yes.
And Romanov.
Then we have Romano. Price is 250.
250 rupees.
Yeah, new price. Earlier it was 225.
Then we have
Then we have Magic Moments.
Magic Moment.
Yes. There are many flavors in this Magic Moment.
So what are the flavor comes with Magic Moment?
Magic Moment comes like plain. There is plain. There is lemon.
Lemon, okay.
Then orange.
Orange.
There is green apple, chocolate.
Okay.
Yeah, and this is very rare. Okay, lemongrass and ginger.
Okay, so all the comes
Prices-
with the same prices?
No, the plain will be little less, 20
Okay.
rupees less. Then these flavors are 340.
340 rupees.
Yes. Then we have Smirnoff,
Smirnoff.
best vodka,
Yeah. So what's the price of this?
625.
625.
There's
Okay.
plain, green apple and orange.
Okay. So here it comes the local what do you call?
Feni.
Local Fenies, yes.
Cashew Feni.
Cashew Fenies, yeah.
There is Bardage.
But this
This good quality Feni.
okay.
Yeah, price is 120.
120 rupees.
Yes. Then we have Bullet.
Bullet.
Yeah, this is very strong.
Okay.
Yeah, mostly preferred by workers and all.
Okay.
Yeah, price is 160.
160 rupees.
Yes.
Next we have
Then we have Kolwa. Kolwa. This is one of the best.
So this was named after the places or like Kolba?
Yes, yes. Kolwa is a beach.
Yeah, so it
in
was named
South
after that.
Goa. Yes.
Yeah.
190 is MRP.
190.
Yes. Then we have Cajulana.
Kezulana.
Yeah. This is also one of the best Fenies in Goa.
Okay.
Price is 180.
180 rupees.
Yes.
Then we
Then
have
we have 24 carat.
24 carat. Wow.
Yeah. Price is 320.
320.
Yeah. Then we
Then
have Sea Rock.
Zero.
Sea Rock, yeah. 400 rupees.
400. So he will show us some whiskey, but we will not go to the main main brand, what we call it, foreign liquor like Chivas Regal, Johnny Walker and all. And even will not go to the whiskey like people everyone knows that like Royal Stake, RC, Blenders Pride, Signature. We'll just focus on the main thing with the local product, let's say with the Indian brand. So keep watching. So these are the local made whiskey. So he will explain us one by one, and he will tell us the charges even.
This is Old Oak.
All oak.
Yeah. Price is 525.
525. Yeah.
Yes. Then we have Rios Oak.
Real oak. So
Yeah.
same like that.
This is Govan whiskey.
Okay.
Yeah. The price is 600. The bottle is
600
very
rupees.
beautiful. This is the bottle. Nice bottle.
It comes with a nice box on this. Then
Then
we
we have
have
Bellwether.
Bell.
Bellwether.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's a nice bottle.
Yes. Price is 350.
350.
Yeah.
The whiskey what we all are showing is it's on the affordable price. People can buy. It's not like too costly. It comes in the range of 500, right?
Yeah. 500,
So
600.
it's affordable whiskey. Yes.
Then we have Legion.
Legend.
Yeah. This is new whiskey.
Okay.
Newly launched in Goa. Okay.
Okay.
Price is 675.
675.
Yeah. Very nice whiskey.
Then,
Then we have gift pack Highbury Classic.
okay.
Highbury Classic. You
So
get a
free
free
gift pack.
free glass in this.
Oh, so it comes with a glass.
Yeah.
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 Oh, it has a nice glass.
Yeah. Even the bottle is
Yeah, it's
beautiful.
very nice bottle.
Yeah.
Yes. So what's the price?
Price is 600.
600. So
yeah.
it's a very affordable. If you
Yes,
can
yes.
even want to give someone,
Yeah.
you can just have
gift it.
this
Yes.
affordable price. Then we have
Golfer's shot.
golfer's shot.
Golfer's shot.
Okay, shot. Okay.
Yeah. Again, this is a gift pack.
Okay. So same. It comes with one glass,
Yes. Yes.
whiskey glass.
Yeah. This is the glass.
Yeah.
I'll show you the bottle also. This is the bottle.
Oh, nice bottle. That's a nice bottle.
Price is 620.
620.
Yes.
Nice. Okay.
Then we
Then
have
we have
Indian whiskey.
Indian
Paul
whiskey.
John.
Paul John.
Little costly but nice whiskey.
Okay.
Price is 1850.
1850. But it's very
Nirvana.
nice looking.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There are many more editions in this.
Okay.
Yeah, but this is starting 1850.
1850.
Yes.
So we'll show you popular wines in Goa, popular what you get here in Goa, and as you all know, that's very good for skin. You know, ladies most especially to the ladies who drinks wine. So it's very good for the skin. So we'll show up you with the new varieties of wine. What all wine we get it here in Goa? Yes. So here we comes with a variety of wine.
First of all, Sula.
Sula.
Shiraz Cabernet.
Okay.
Yeah. Sula is very famous,
Okay.
as you all know. This is red wine. In
So
this,
it comes with.
also white wine. White wine comes in this. White.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, red and white.
Red and white.
Yeah. The price is 935.
935.
Yeah.
It's not that costly. It's affordable.
Yes,
like-
yes, yes.
Yeah.
Then we have
Then-
Samara.
Samara.
Same in this. There's
It's a
white
white
and
wine.
red. Yeah, this
Yeah.
is white wine. One more comes in this red.
Right. Okay.
Yeah. The price is 320.
320.
Then we have Madeira.
Madeira. Oh, nice. Name.
Yeah. Both of them are here, white and red.
White and red.
Yeah. So I'm going to tell you, white is 440.
440. Okay.
Then red is same price, 440.
Okay.
Yes. There are many varieties in wines. There is rosé, which is not made of rose actually. It is
Mhm.
rosé. Different varieties are there.
Okay.
Some are dry, semi-dry, sweet, semi-sweet. Yeah. Now these are new. This is a new brand.
Mm-hmm.
Vince Disal is a brand.
Okay.
Yeah. There are red wine, white wine, Shiraz.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. This is Shiraz Cabernet. Price is 750.
750.
Yeah.
So it's a red wine.
Yeah. If you are looking for a Shiraz in low range, then this one is
Okay.
for you. Then again, Shiraz. 985.
985.
Yeah.
Then
Then we have Vince Chenin Blanc.
Chenin Blanc.
Yeah. 750 rupees.
750. So then you will show me some wine, port wine, right?
Yes,
So-
I'm going to show you some port wines.
Port wines.
Yeah.
Which is very famous in Goa. What do you expect more than this? The price of wine start from 100 rupees. It's so like surprising for me to know that the wine prices start from 100 rupees. So please tell me the prices.
This is Napoleon number 7
Number 7,
port wine.
port wine.
Yeah, mostly all are port wine. Within less range, you will get port wines.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is the cheapest one, right?
Yes,
100
yes.
and
110 rupees.
110
Yeah.
rupees.
Good wines. Sir.
Good one.
Then we have Vinicolas.
Vinicola port wine. This
Port
also
wine. Yeah. Price is 170.
170 rupees.
Yeah.
It's all in affordable price. You can
Yeah.
get it like in 200 200 rupees range.
Then we have Santa Barbara.
Santa Barbara.
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 Yeah.
It's a finest wine. Let's say it's like Indian grape juice, right?
Yes. Price is 210.
210.
Then we have Salazar.
Salazar.
Yeah. Again, this is 210.
210. Okay.
Yeah. Then we have
Then
Seven Sisters.
Seven Sisters. What a name.
Yeah, nice. 210.
210.
10 MRP. Then we have Port Vasco.
Fort Vasco. So it's named after the Vasco port, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
210. Sorry, 310.
310. And
Then
we
we
have
Port 1000.
Port 1000.
Port wine. 1000. 210 MRP.
210.
Yeah. Bachus.
Bachus.
Yeah. 180 price.
180 rupees. So you will get all in the range of like 100 to 200 rupees. So it's very cheap if you want to take away from here. Suppose if you are a tourister, if you are going back home, so you can take all this stuff with like in a very. So it's time to celebrate. So what it comes in your mind at the time of celebration, like let's say proposing a girl, your fiance, your girlfriend or boyfriend, you require champagne. That's sparkling wine. And at the time of let's say birthday celebration, weddings, we all require champagne. So we'll come up with some varieties of sparkling wine. So these are the varieties of sparkling wine. So he will explain us about the rate and all.
Yeah. First of all, Dia.
Dia.
Dia red wine.
Okay.
This is a sparkling wine.
Okay.
This is a new bottle.
Okay.
Price is 440.
440 rupees. Oh, it's very
Yes.
cheap.
Then we have Dia white.
Dia white.
Again, this is a sparkling wine.
Okay.
Same price is 440.
440. Okay.
Sula Riesling.
Okay.
It's a white wine.
Okay.
Price is 895.
895.
Yes.
Then we have
Then we have Frisano.
Frisano.
Yes. There are two bottles, two colors in this.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's just the bottle difference, right? The
Yeah,
color.
yeah. The price is 520.
520.
Both are of same price.
Uh-huh.
If you are searching for a champagne,
Mm-hmm.
in your good range,
Okay.
then it's for you. Okay.
Like, what's the rate you said?
520.
520.
Just 520.
520.
You're getting
You
a
just see, you
champagne.
get a champagne at 520.
Yes.
So this is Goa.
Yeah. Then we have Sula Seco.
Sula Seco.
Yeah. This is again a champagne.
Mm-hmm.
Price is 660.
660.
Sula Seco.
Sula Seco.
Rosé. This is rosé.
Okay. It has a nice color though.
Yeah. 700 MRP.
700.
Yeah.
So you get all in the range of like 500, 600, 700. So it's a very cheap
Yeah. Then we have Zampa.
Jampa.
Grover it is. Okay.
Okay.
1175.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. This is Brut Rosé. Yeah.
Okay.
It's not like other wines. This is Brut Rosé.
Okay.
Yeah. Little different variety of it. Yeah.
Okay. So celebration, you can propose your like girlfriend, boyfriend at just the range of 600 rupees. So here we'll show you the gift item, like what you can take away from Goa. See, usually what happens if you come here to the Goa and while you go back to the home, people usually ask what you bring for us. So my friend used to ask me, what are the local things you brought us for us while coming back home. So I usually take this kind of Kesu Feni, this thing, and he'll just explain us one by one. So please explain the rates and all.
This is Kariba.
Keriba.
Yeah.
So it's a very nice bottle
Yeah.
you can take for someone with your
Yes.
loved one or friends or anything. Yeah.
Everybody, most of the people know about Cabo.
Cabo.
Yeah,
It has a very
it's
nice
white
bottle.
one, Yeah.
White rum. It has a very nice bottle, and as per his knowledge, I got to know that you can even drink this neat without water.
Yes.
It has very nice bottle, so you can gift someone. And the price is like
675.
675.
Yeah.
So it's
Both
an
are
affordable
same.
price. Yes.
Kariba and this is almost same.
Correct.
Both are same. Then we
Then
have Goan whiskey.
Goan whiskey.
Mogasu.
Mogashu. Matlab, there's a meaning here. I'll just read out. Means let there be love. Mogashu, na?
Yeah.
Muasu. Matlab, let there be love. Yeah. It's a very nice meaning.
Price is 600 rupees.
600 rupees.
Yeah.
And these are the local Feni, and the prices are 349. So it's same price, right?
Same price.
And it's the same
You
price.
get cashew and coconut feni.
Yeah. So it's very good to gift someone, mostly like your friends, like, so you can gift this. It's a very affordable price. So can anyone imagine that the beer has a 15% alcohol? It's my first, I just tried today, and I'll just present you the Indian first beer which comes with a 15% alcohol. So that is the Bro Code. So it comes with 15% alcohol. I'll show you the back side. So it comes with 15% alcohol. It's written here somewhere. Yeah, it comes with a 15% alcohol. So it just and the price range, it comes with 100 rupees. So it's like triple the beer. Like, so most of the beer has like 8%, 5%. Yeah, so this has a 15% Bro Code. So people, you must try this. You should always try this. And it comes with the combination of wine and beer, so it has a very good taste. So that was the end of the video. I hope you enjoy the video. I hope you have some good information regarding the liquor prices in Goa. And thank you so much, Mr. Viraj, that you have given us the opportunity to show the liquor prices. Actually, this is not a sponsored video. It's just my friend. We just live nearby. So thank you, Mr. Viraj. Yeah.
Guys, please like his video and please comment and share.
Thank you. Thank you. So till then, keep watching, keep supporting, keep like my videos, keep subscribe my channel. Do comment down below what you want me to do next, anything you want me to review in future. And then please don't forget to hit the bell icon button so that you will get a new notification update. So till then, keep watching, keep supporting. This is your guy signing off again.